Hey friends, exporting groups of components in Figma into a nice clean SVG that doesn't have gaps in between all the elements isn't as simple as some people make out, and I'll show you why. Right here we have a logo made up of multiple different components, and these components each have different levels of rounding on the edges to create the overall D logo with a little bit of magic in the middle. Now, if I was just to unionize these, it would match the rounding across all components, and it results in this potentially cool logo, but not the one that we want. So the easy way to get around this, which took me about 2 hours on a stream earlier to figure out, is if we make this into a component first, then we union the selection. You still see it has all the little pieces. We then flatten it, and now it is one continuous path.